Today we're going to take a look at the HTP Invertig 400 AC DC. This has the silver cover for the 40th anniversary edition. This machine is a single phase and three phase. It can run on 50 or 60 hertz, so here in the United States or overseas, just plug and play. You don't have to adjust anything inside the machine. Just plug it in. The machine's smart. It'll actually understand what input is being put into the machine. Okay. This machine has a high duty cycle. If you're on single phase, it'll run up to about 350 amps, and if you're on three phase, about 400 amps, and that's around 30% duty cycle at 400 amps. So it's got a really high output. If you're somewhere in the 200 range, it'll run 100%. So stick, TIG, it's got a really high output, which is quite impressive because the footprint of this machine is not that large, which is nice. So it's also a little bit of a space saver. This thing has just about all the bells and whistles you can imagine. It has pulse, it has asymmetric waveform for your AC, hot start for stick and TIG, arc force for your stick welding. It actually has a pipe program on it, so when it's actually in a pipe program, it'll actually disengage any remotes that are hooked up to it. Typically, you would never see somebody pipe welding with a remote. So even if it's plugged in, it won't recognize that a remote is actually plugged in to the machine. This machine also has a 2T or 4T, so you'll be able to adjust your slope up and your slope down. It's got pulse timers on there if you were doing some production pulse welds as well. So really, this machine has anything you can imagine, all the bells and whistles. So whether it's being applied to steel, stainless, aluminum, HTP Invertig 400 AC/DC is the ultimate constant current power source. All of your DC or AC stick and TIG can really be done with this machine. Okay, so we are going to use the 400 Invertig to do some thin to thick steel TIG welding on DC negative. Okay, just wrapping up these two steel fillet welds. Really impressed with the arc stability with the Invertig 400. You can really see the uneven less than clean metal. You know, the arc just flows really well. The toes are straight. Same here with this T. I also think a lot of it has to do with the ergonomics of the torch. The torch fit great in the hand. It's really easy and comfortable to use. Really impressed. I mean, if I was welding steel on TIG all day long, I mean, this is just a fantastic machine. And we're talking about some really thick material here that it has no problem putting out some fantastic welds.